What's up, mate? Welcome back again with me, Mr. Candlestick. Today, I will share a complete tutorial on how to use the traffic line strategy. I will also share the rules of what to do when using this strategy. So don't skip this video if you want to get consistent profit in trading. This capital is the profit from the last of my previous video, when I got it from $25. So let's continue to increase the balance in this account. Can my traffic line strategy make more profit? Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, in this market, the green line has crossed the yellow line, but this is not a traffic line moment because the red line is above the yellow line. The first rule of traffic line strategy is that the yellow line must be centered between the green line and the red line. If the red line is centered like this, it is a sign that the market is sideways market. What is a sideways market? A sideways market can be simply defined as one with no bullish or bearish trends, where the lowest and highest prices only move on a horizontal line. So it's very difficult to trade with the traffic line strategy. The traffic line strategy only works in trending markets. Okay, let's find the right traffic line strategy moment. If you find a moment like this, and the green line crosses the red line, then do not open a position. This is also not a strategy traffic line moment, because of the yellow line that goes straight ahead. The yellow line should point downward or upward. Okay, this one. The green line has crossed the red line and the yellow line. And also, the yellow line is not straight like the previous market. And the green bar on the MACD indicator is also getting bigger. And the line is sharply upward. So you can entry to up on this market, because it's a sign that the market will reverse direction. And don't forget to open a position when the candle touches or approaches the red line. Nice! Perfect entry. Entry on the green line. I will explain again why the traffic line is very effective. The traffic lines is the same as trend dynamic support and resistance points. You can see from the market history, if the candle is below the yellow line, it's a sign that the market is downtrending. And if the dynamic resistance has break, this is a sign that the market is about to reverse to an uptrend. Before the trend reversal happened, the candle will correction to the resistance point. And when it correction to the resistance points, then an uptrend will happen. So the traffic line is not just any line. This line has the meaning. So let's see the results together. Nice! My first trade made a profit. We can't entry on this market anymore because there are already more than 3 red bars in the MACD indicator. And also the line has been curved. This is a sign that the market is weakening. So it's better to find the traffic line moment on other markets. Okay, this one. The green line has crossed the yellow line from above. And also the bars and lines on the MACD indicator point downwards. So this is a signal for us to open a down position. I will open the trade when the candle touches the green line. So let's wait until the candle touching the green line. Perfect entry again. Entry exactly on the green line. Can the second trade make a profit too? Okay, let's see. Great! My second trade also made a profit. 2 trades without a loss. My first trade was $100. And has multiplied to $353. So let's multiply $353 on the next trade. And let's find for the great moment again. Okay, this one. The green line has crossed from below, and also the candle has not touched the nearest resistance point. So there is a high probability that the market will still rise, because it can be seen from the green line that is very straight up. And the line on the MACD indicator is also pointing straight up, and not forgetting the yellow line that leans to the uptrend. That's why I opened a position immediately, because this is the best traffic line moment. Well, let's see how the trade turns out. Amazing! My traffic line makes a profit again and again. 3 trades without a loss. This strategy's so very, very powerful. Let's double the profit again, but not in this market, because the red line wants to cross the yellow line, and also the resistance point is very close. So let's find the traffic line moment on another market. Okay, this is not the traffic line moment, because 3 lines are very close together. And also, the green line movement is very messy. This line isn't straight and doesn't move perfectly as usual. Usually, the market will be very volatile if the line is like that. Well, this is the perfect traffic line moment, where the green line is very straight and sharp. And also, the closest support point has been breakout. This is the nearest of support points. The traffic lines will greatly increase in accuracy if there is a breakdown like this. Okay, because my last profit was $677, then I will open a position for $677 too. Okay, let's get ready to open a down trade, because the candle has correction and approached the green line. Yes, perfect entry. Entry on the green line. So let's see the results together. It was amazing! My traffic line strategy make a profit more and more. This strategy so very, very awesome. 4 trades without a loss. Already got a $1,200 profit from $100. So let's multiply it again. But not in this market, because the green line is not perfectly straight anymore. As you can see, the green line is already curved, and the line on the MACD indicator is also curved. The best entry point is the first correction candle after crossing the line. It's already too far for us to enter a position again. If it's already too far like this, the correction candle will be higher too, or will pull back to the breakout point. So let's double the profit in other markets. Okay, this one. I will open to down on this market, because the green line has crossed the yellow line from above, and this was the first time the candle correction after the crossover. This is the best moment for us to entry position with the traffic line strategy. The accuracy will increase if you open when the line has just crossed. Okay, let's see for the results. It was amazing! My traffic line strategy makes a profit again and again. 5 trades without a loss. I've already made a profit more than $2,000. This strategy's so very, very powerful. Okay, let's make more profit. But not in this market, because the line on the MACD indicator has curved upwards. So let's find on other markets. Okay, this one. The green line has crossed the yellow line from above, and after the crossover, the candle has not corrected. This is the best moment for traffic line strategy. As you can see in the MACD indicator as well, the line is straight to down and the red bars are bigger than before. If this is the case, just wait until the candle correction to the green line. So let's wait until the candle touches or approaches the green line. Okay, the candle has correction. Okay, the trade has been entry, but this entry is not perfect because this entry is too fast. I should have been more patient until the candle getting higher. Let's hope this trade is profitable again. amazing! My traffic line strategy makes profits again. This strategy is very, very powerful. 6 trades without a loss. My profit has reached more than $4,000. Okay, I will trade again for the last, because I found the moment. I was originally going to stop after making a profit of more than $4,000, but I was tempted when I saw this moment. This is of the traffic line moment on the breakout support, so I'll open a trade for down in this market. I'll open a down trade when the candle touches the green line. So let's wait for the perfect entry. Okay, the candle has correction, so be ready to open the trade. Nice, perfect entry. Entry when the candle touches the green line. So let's see for the results. It's really amazing. The traffic line strategy makes a profit again and again. This strategy is so very, very powerful. 7 trades without a loss. Today, I made a profit more than $9,000. So my total profit was $17,000 because I started from $25. This strategy is so very amazing and very easy to use. If you want to learn more about this strategy, just chat me on my Telegram. My Telegram link is in the description in this video. I will share you for free. Okay, I have to say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends who are learning trading. See you in the next video and happy profit!